Welcome back everyone. You may be trying to get a refund for your specific Xbox games, and the way to do this is very easy. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're within the 14-day period of when you bought that game. If it's been more than 14 days, I don't think you're going to be able to do it. So you want to make sure that you have at least a 14-day period of when you bought the game. Now, apparently you cannot get a refund if you actually play that game for more than 2 hours across all of your accounts. So if you're planning on playing this game, or if you're planning on buying it and just refunding it after you play it for 2 hours or whatever, you're not going to be able to do it. It's probably like if you just bought it by mistake, that's how you're going to be able to do it. And if it's a brand new game, you're only going to be able to get a refund if it's after 1 day of the game's release date. So if you buy a game today and it came out today and you try to refund it today, it's not really going to work. Now also, downloadable content, add-ons, and everything like that cannot be refunded either. So that's a pretty big thing to keep in mind as well. So those are the big things. Now, in order to actually request a refund, what you want to do is you want to go to the request a refund page on the Microsoft Xbox website, which will be linked down below. So you can just go there if you want to. And on that website, it's going to pretty much tell you, hey, these are the things you have to do in order to actually get a refund. You're going to have to sign into your account. So you have to make sure you use the same exact account username and password that you used before. Now, as long as those things are set, you want to go to your order history. You want to click on the order number of your specific items, and you want to click request refund. That's at the bottom of that specific page. Now, as long as you can confirm that everything you want to refund is there, then all you have to do is select the specific reasons why you want to go ahead and return that game. And usually, depending on that reason, that's when you're going to get the refund. So I'd recommend saying, hey, I didn't like the game, or there was issues, or whatever the case is. Just be honest. And most of the time, they'll go ahead and accept it. And then you'll get a confirm email, and then you can go and click submit. And that's really pretty much it. You will go ahead and get your refund that way. And that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.